Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 streaming applications that are better than Netflix. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel and share the video for more important videos like this. So as I just said, I want to show you 5 streaming applications on Android TV that are better than Netflix, and all these applications are free. So you might want to watch this video right up to the end. I'm not just going to be showing you all the 5 applications, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install these applications to your Android TV. So please, before we go ahead, I say again, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Alright, so I presume you'll be looking for ways to stream movies on your Android TV without paying any subscription. This video is for you, and let's go ahead. So as I said, I'm going to show you how to download all these applications to your Android TV, Smart TV, Firestick, or anyone you're working on. So now, the first step for us to do is to install an application called Unlinked. If you already know what Unlinked application is, then you don't need to stress enough. So the Unlinked application is an app where you can add codes to unlock libraries that have several applications that you can download and install to your Android TV without necessarily using the Play Store. It's very easy to use, so please follow me attentively. For us to install the Unlinked application, we need this application called Downloader. Downloader is another third-party application that we can use on our Android TV to install apps without the need of Play Store. So we're going to be using Downloader to install Unlinked. And now, if you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, you shouldn't worry. In the description of this video, I've attached a link or a tutorial that is going to guide you on how to install Downloader to your Android TV. So just go through the tutorial and install Downloader to your Android TV. Once it's installed, all you have to do is go ahead and launch it. As I was saying, Downloader is a very important application for any Android TV or Smart TV user. If you own an Android TV, you must have Downloader. It's very easy to use, and here's how it looks like. So in Downloader, what you have to do is just come over here and type in a code, and it's going to install the Unlinked application for us. Remember, what we need is the Unlinked application so that we can add a library code that's going to give us access to applications. And in those applications, I'm going to show you 5 of them that are better than Netflix. So let's go ahead to installing the Unlinked application. To install the Unlinked application, you have to type in a code. Please follow this attentively. The code in this case is 10381 or 10381. Once you're done, let's go ahead and click on go or OK. What is going to happen straight away is the Unlinked application is just going to go ahead and start installing on our Android TV. We don't have to do any other thing. So as you can see on my screen, the application is to start installing, downloading right now. So here's the application downloading. Once it's done downloading as this, all we have to do is install the application to our Android TV. So now I need to install it to Android TV. So just click on install here, then watch or wait. Alright, now the application has installed to Android TV. So here, then just go ahead and open the application. First of all, just click done. We are going to delete the application file from our Android TV just to save space. So don't need the application file on our Android TV, so just delete it. And once you're done over here, all you have to do is go back home. So as you can see on my screen, the Unlinked application has been installed. Here's it over here. It has been installed. So let's go ahead and use it. Just as I explained earlier, with the Unlinked application, all we need to add is a library code. If you are interested in more library code, check on my YouTube channel. There is a video I created with 10 library codes, 10 secret library codes that you can use to install unlimited amount or number of applications to your Android TV. In this video, I'm just going to be using just one of the codes, so you can go and check the video in my channel right now. So once you're here, all you have to do is to add a new library. As I explained, add a library with a code. A library is just a categories of applications that someone has added to a library, and you can come over and install any of them. So the library we're going to be using here is called Everything. It's a very pretty good library. Here's a library. I'm just going to type it down right now. Everything. This is the library. Once you're done, just click on OK. And what is going to happen is the library is going to load. While it's loading, I just want to explain something. Some of the applications in this library might not work on your Android TV depending on the location or where you are. So in most cases, what might help you is a VPN. So you might need a VPN to access some of the applications. I don't know where you are located, but a VPN could help you access the full features of every application in this library. If you need any VPN, just check the description of this video. I've added two VPNs. There is NordVPN and a Surfshark VPN, which you can click and choose any one of them and get up to 83% bonus for free of your first subscription, and you're going to enjoy these applications to their full capability. So go ahead and choose any VPN and start using. So once you're over here, just go ahead and launch or enter. And as you can see, the library is just going to open right now. So here is the library of applications. I'm going to be blurring some areas just for avoid troubles with YouTube. So as I explained earlier, I'm going to be showing 5 of the applications in this library that are better than Netflix, or that you can use to replace Netflix if you don't want to pay any subscription any longer. The first application we're going to be searching for is called Flix Vision. So to search for it, please just scroll down, follow me attentively. So scroll down. Once you're over here, you just scroll the other way, and as you can see, here is the application. So here's the application. Once you're here, to download the application or install to your Android TV, just click on OK on your remote control, and this pop-up is going to come up with a download option. So you can just go ahead and download the application to your Android TV without any extra fees, nothing. Just click on OK, and the application is going to be downloaded to your Android TV. So Flix Vision is the first application that you can use as an alternative to a Netflix. The next application is one of my favorite, and here's the application. I'm not going to call the name of the application, but you can see. So here's the application. The same process to download. Just click on it once, and the download option is going to come over, and you can start downloading. It's a very good application. I can use it as an alternative to Android or Netflix. Now, the next application is also an important application, and it's good for sport lovers. If you want to stream sport on your Android TV, this application might be good for you. And so for us to go to the application, just come on to the next option here, and you scroll here. Here is the application. Here is it, Spotify. So to install the application, it's the same thing. Just click on this, and the application is going to start installing in no time. So you can either install this application or this one, but this is another application you can use as an alternative to Netflix. That is the third application on my list. The fourth application is another application called Pluto TV, and here is the application. So you can use also this application as an alternative to Netflix on your Android TV. To install it is still the same thing. Just click on it once, and the download option is going to come. I can download it and install to your Android TV and start using without any complications or any subscriptions. It's very, very, very free. So the last application on our list is another application here, and here is it called Tubi. So you just go over here. Here's the application. You click on it once, and you can go ahead and start downloading to your Android TV. So these are 5 good applications you can use as alternatives to your Netflix or any subscription based on streaming live movies. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share the YouTube video for more views, and also supporting my channel to grow. So here are 5 applications that you can use as alternative to Netflix.